Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on moderation. Then you come to next step here. Come here to enable adult content. Click in this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us. Like you see here, adult content enable with us now here. And here can you select your adult content either suggestive here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.